winner chicken dinner.
Oh yeah.
Nice. So let's go and let's go buy dinner.
Everybody wanna do the same thing, yup. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
All right, guys, it's highly requested, so we're gonna take on Lightning Link again. This time, me and Chicky are gonna take on Lightning Link.
Tiki fire.
Yep, and we're gonna do it on both Tiki fires. We got a double setup here, 2 machines side by side, and we're gonna see what we can do with just $100. We're gonna see how far this $100 takes us. All right, Chicky, you're ready to load up. Is your money in there? There it goes. You ready?
Ready?
Yes? All right, come on, we can let the games begin. You can play whatever you want, Chicky, and we will see where this takes us. Oh, wow. Oh, you almost knocked it. You almost knocked it out the park on the first spin. You almost got a first spin and win. All right, I'm gonna move back and forth, guys. We will check in on the Chicky in a second. Ooh. These machines are nice and loud. Ooh, I just love the sound of that. Tiki fire. Come on. There goes the Chicky. The Chicky's kicking it off.
Okay. Putting 2 cents, $1. Let's see. You want a mini minor or a major? We'll take the grand. There we go. There's a minor, guys. Let's see what else it's willing to give. Remember, it's 2 cents, so everything is doubled except the minor. Darn it. Oh, okay. Major 661. I'll gladly take that. Alright, one more. Come on. Alright, that's a good one. Good start. I was gonna say, you should have the music.
Good job. All right.
Your turn, babe.
My turn. I'm gonna have to catch up to you, Chicky. I think it's gonna be the Chicky show. Look at that Tiki fire. Oh, even that music. It's like a scary total pull. Mine might be a little tougher, Chicky. Oh, I just missed that. 3 volcanoes. Oh, look at that. I missed one, Chicky, one. Come on, I don't want to leave Tiki fire. Come on, Tiki fire. Let's do it. 1 bonus round. Here we go. Boom. Boy, Lightning Link does not make it easy for me. What was that? Just that big sound. Look at that. Total pull. Come on. 1 bonus round, please. 5 spins in the bonus round. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5th one, here it is. Int. Boy, this Tiki fire is tough. How much does it cost for a bonus round, Chicky? Man. Here it isn't. Oh, man. Oh, look at this. You just, that is it.
One more, guys. One more.
That is pure torture.
It is.
That is brutal. I'd rather not see it come up than to see it come up and only get 5. At least you're getting action on yours. I mean, your machine's going crazy. Come on. One bonus round. Ooh, nice. Man, I'm telling you, that Tiki looks scary. Come on. Why does it always have to be a struggle for me? Oh, missed the 3 volcanoes. Look at that. I keep getting 2 volcanoes. Look at this. Tiki fire. Come on. 1 bonus round. It makes a whole lot of noise, but nothing going on. Mine is dead. I got like 30 bucks. Tiki, I got 30 bucks. I don't want to put any more money in here. Come on, 1 bonus round, please. $25. Oh, that volcano was right there. I need to get saved. 20 bucks. 20 bucks. 15 bucks. It's coming down to the wire. $10. Oh, come on, I need a volcano here. Look at that, I keep getting 2 volcanoes. Unbelievable. It's my last spin. I don't want to put any more money in here, Chicky. Yeah. I'm gonna put. She's saying don't do it. Chicky's saying don't put any more money in here. Watch me get a bonus round. Oh, I zeroed out. Hey, you got 34 bucks in there. You staying on that one? Tiki fire was Tiki nothing.
Unsuccessful.
You gonna play yours all out? All right, I'll let you play yours.
I'm gonna cash out.
Maybe
right
you
now.
get something. You might win.
Alright, that's it.
You're gonna take that $30 win? Maybe you can flip that $30 something else.
Okay, let's go.
Well, I'm following you. What are you playing now, Tiki? What'd you find?
Dragon Link Spring Festival.
All right, go for it. Hopefully you can make something happen
Hopefully.
from that Tiki fire. All right, what are we working with? Look at him. Yeah. Oh.
Guess you're doing a lot of laughing at me. 6 orbs or 3 golden bowls. Come on. Come on.
God, you're so quiet, Tiki. Come on, let's see. What do we got here? Look at those bowls. Look at the drums. Yeah, there you go. Change it up. Don't get stuck on one thing. I think you're playing too small. Yeah, do some step betting, some jump betting, mix in all the good stuff.
Come on.
You're gonna get it.
Ah. Just want 6 of those. That's all.
Well, you jump around, don't stay on the same bet denomination. Change it up. Change it up. Get out of the 1 cent, try 2 cent, try 5 cent, 10 cent. Come on, let's do all the good stuff. Go through the goods. Oh, come on. Come on, Spring Festival. Ooh. Nice. Got a 5 of a kind. That should go up top. Yeah.
$22?
I have no idea.
That's it. Oh, shoot. 42. Let's get a bowl round. Actually, I don't care for the bowl round on this. I'd rather have the orbs. But I'll take whatever I can get.
Yeah, take it all. Come on.
Come on. Come on, 6.
Okay.
6.
You tried $1, $5? Ooh. Whole lot of nothing.
That's right. Nothing.
I'm gonna try 1 cent, $5. Jump around, chicken. Come on. Get in there. Be aggressive. Come on, girl.
Come on. Come on. It's alright.
Ooh, nice.
Sorry.
Yeah. Good luck.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Alright, not too bad.
Cool.
Oh my god. We want 3 of those. Come on, baby. Jesus. Alright, what are we doing? What are we doing here? Come on.
Come on, chicken. Did you try the 2 cent, $5?
Oh.
Yeah.
Come on.
Something.
Something and a whole lot of nothing.
Yeah, get something. Come on. Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. Ah, thank you. Hopefully I'm here long enough to sit in it. Alright, that was good luck with that chair. Nice
Alright.
lady brought me a chair and it brought us good luck. Hey, that chair brought me good luck.
Alright. Okay, let's see what we can get here, guys. You want an orb or a gold coin? Another gold bowl. Another gold bowl would re-trigger. You want an orb. One orb. There we go. Alright, let's see what we can get.
mini. Get a minor.
Oh,
Ooh,
snap.
why not?
Oh, no. Come on, guys. Let's do this. One more to keep going. Just drop 2 at once. Come on. 2 at once. I'll take that. Alright. We still have 3 spins to go. Let's get another orb. I'll leave it to, there we go. I'll just say, I'll take another retrigger. Alright. Let's get a retrigger or an orb. Nice, let's go. Okay, we got 2 more. Let's get an orb or a bowl. Orb or a bowl. Gold bowl, come on. Orb. Alright, 1 more. This is it. This is a bigger betting machine. The grand is at $18.88, which is max. So, $124.
Hey, you got all our money back.
I
We started
know.
with 200. What do we do? This one's a grind.
It is.
All right, we should move on.
Yeah.
You did good.
Let me do a 50
We're only
cent so
five.
we
We're
can
only
leave.
$5
Down. Yeah. Not bad. We'll take it and run. Maybe.
All right. Oh.
Okay.
All right. This is a tough one. All right, we're only
Yeah.
$5 down. We could do
Give me
it.
$5 down.
Yeah.
That's not
Let's see
bad.
if we can get a profit. All right. Tiki finished up on that spring festival. She did fantastic on Tiki Fire, and she built it back up on Spring Festival.
I did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now it's my turn to redeem us. We're $5 down
Yeah.
from our initial starting session. Can I do it? I don't want to let the chickie down. She did so good. All right. Here we go. Can we do it? Can we do it, chickie? Do you have faith, chickie? I think so, huh? She has faith. Come on. Chickie, you got to root for me. We need a bonus round here. Right? We need a bonus round, chickie. I don't want to let you down. You built it back up. You built it all back up on Spring Festival. Come on. I think the chickie's the big winner. What do I do? Look at that. Oh man. Chickie, that would have saved us. I can't lose. Yeah, that was it. That was the if I would have got that bonus round, that would have been a cash and walk. Come on.
Not bad for 250 then.
Yeah, it's actually doing pretty good for a two, but we need something to drop. A couple more spins and we have to. All right, let's just move on already. Come on, let's do a 50 cent. Let's chicken out for a second. Look at that. On 50 cent. No way. Oh, that would have been great. Look at the numbers for 50 cent. Let's hang tight for a minute on 50 cent. We still got plenty of bankroll left. Come on. Come on, Golden Century. One bonus round, please. One bonus round. Please, Emperor Qin. He's the first emperor of China. Come on. In case you didn't know, that is Emperor Qin. First emperor of China. Yes, that's who Golden Century is. And this is that's his terracotta army. Come on. Come on, Golden Century. We're gonna do it. Hang on, let me get the camera situated here, guys. Ooh, look at that. Come on. It's messing with me now. Come on, Emperor. Why do I always get these disabled screens? Sticky buttons, disabled screens. Oh, crazy. One bonus round. There's that terracotta army. Come on. Look at that. There was a flag hidden up there. One bonus round will be satisfying. Maybe we'd even just move on to another machine. Here it is. Yes, we won, Tiki. Tiki, we did it. We did it, Tiki. If we drop another mini, if we drop a minor, come on, Emperor Qin. Come on, one more mini. One more, just to keep it going. Yes, yes. Four digit ball. Come on, one more. Just keep it alive. One more. Okay. Hey, but I think we're golden. I think we're Golden Century. Let me get these coins. We did it, Tiki. Here, let me give you some. Hang on. Here. Actually, oh, you know what? Let me see that. Hang on. Let me see. Here's the coins for your bracelet. There they are. That's why we save all the coins. Here they are right here. That's it. That's what we do with those coins. Look at that. We did it, Tiki. Let me do a couple backup spins. What do we do? We want 130 bucks. Should we play down to that 300 mark?
Yeah.
And we take 100 wins. We take $100 win. Maybe we could even build that up. Maybe we can get to 400. Then we could double our bankroll. Look at that. Come on. I think we just keep going. 27 bucks. Oh, look at that. Come on. Just another bonus round. Come on. One more. Darn it. That was a good. Oh. A whole lot of nothing. Come on. 19 bucks. We're gonna do it. One more. Wow. Well, we made that comeback, which is crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I lost on Tiki Fire. You won like, yeah, you won like 30 bucks. Then you took it to Spring Festival. You pretty much brought us back to our initial bankroll. We were $5 down. Now we're 112 up. See if I can play this last 11, 10, 90, whatever we have left. And maybe we could do it. All right, let's switch. Let's milk it all the way out. This is it. We got 9 bucks. We got about 18 spins left. Oh, can we do it? Tiki, we're gonna do it. We're gonna get a bonus round. Let me ask you a question. You got $7 in there. Do you think we're gonna get a bonus round before it taps out?
Sure, yeah.
Yeah?
I think so.
Have confidence, have faith. There it is. We got $7.
Trust the process.
Come on. We're wishing on a star. Bonus round. Please, Emperor Chin. Yeah.
$5. Can he do it?
$5. Look at that. It's getting closer. $4. This is it. Ooh. Tiki was looking, she was scared on that. She thought I was going to do it. Uh-oh. Bonus round. Uh-oh. Oh, no. This is it. Yes. Yes. What do you think of that? What do you think of that? How do you like them apples? Come on. Yes. Come on. A minor would be so hilarious right now. Give it a mini. Just drop a mini. Nice. A mini. Thank you, Emperor Chin. Minor, please. Oh, another mini. He's throwing all the gold. Thanks, Emperor. He's rewarding me. Oh my gosh. Oh man, Emperor Chin. Emperor Chin is doing it. Oh, I'm telling you. You ask and you shall receive. And we still got 4 more spins. Chiggy, and the bonus. Yeah. Let me get these. Hang on. Here, Chiggy.
Pretty good for 50 cents.
Yeah, for 50 cents. And we still got 4 more spins. Come on, Emperor Chin. Come on. All right, nice. $50 bonus round. Well, we're up. Or we got 1 spin off. I think we should just do that 1 spin off. We should take our 150. Right? Yeah. Because we battled, we came back, we did that Tiki fire. Here, let's go ahead and cash this out. We did that Tiki fire. I got drained on Tiki fire.
Yeah.
You pulled off, well, you had a really good bonus round. Then of course you battled it a little bit. And then you cashed out 130, so you were $30 up.
Yeah.
And you walked over to Spring Festival. And you turned it around for us.
Yeah.
You brought us pretty much back up to our original bankroll. It was $195.
Yeah, $5 off.
And then I took the $195 and we turned it into this. So we're winner chicken dinner.
Oh yeah.
Nice. So let's go. And let's go buy dinner.
Yes.
You ready?
Yes.
All right. Say goodbye.
Bye, guys. Until next time.
Yep. Remember, don't gamble what you can't handle. Later.
I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream, yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.